once again for the 5th time. Si Miss Jamie Lim, ang ating Philippine karate team. Of course, she served also as one of the volunteers nitong Asian Cadets and Juniors Under 21 Karate Championship. Magandang hapon, Jamie, and welcome back to Sports Corner. Miss Jamie, first of all, this is actually one of the first experiences na naranasan mo na mag-volunteer at ikaw rin yung umawak ng bandera ng Pilipinas doon sa opening ceremonies. How was your feeling na ito nga magiging part na ito, even though hindi ka nakaka-compete, at least naranasan mo maging volunteer nga for the Asian Championships?
Oh yeah, it's a very big thing for our country to be able to host the Asian Championships. And I trained with the kids for preparing for this competition, and I'm really proud of them. That's why nakakatuwa na I'm able to raise the flag and the banner for them. Yun.
And of course, meron tayong mga medalists from the Philippines at naranasan mo na makapag-train with them for some several days right now, and nakita mo yung ang ganda ng performance na ipinakita ng ating mga bata dito. What is your impression nga pala dun sa ating mga future karatekas natin, yung mga susunod sa yapak mo?
Oh, I'm really proud kasi some of them, it's their first time to join the Asian Championship, something at this level. And already nag-medal sila. And even for those who didn't get the medal, nakikita ko yung fighting spirit nila and so much potential with them. And I see how they train and how hard they work. So I'm really proud.
Overall, Miss Jamie, itong hosting ng Asian Championships dito sa Pilipinas is somewhat it contributed a huge impact na rin para dito sa Philippine Karate, and maybe one of these days baka pwede mag-host ng isa pang competition na Asian level o world level. Hindi ko muna PPM si Shian Ricky, pero something exciting will happen in the coming years para sa Karate Pilipinas if ever na makapag-host tayo hopefully ng isang competition na Asian level o world level.
Question.
Ano yung impact nitong hosting nito para dito sa Philippine Karate in general?
Yeah, it's amazing kasi we can see na kaya ng country natin mag-host ng something this big. And it was run so smoothly and everything was on time. And everything is amazing. Production is amazing, kaya Philippines.
And of course, what's the latest update sa inyong preparations for the upcoming competitions? Even though yung IMAG na-cancel na, sayang naman, at least makaka-focus kayo, makaka-concentrate kayo sa iba pang mga competitions na nakalain na po 2024 and 2025. Anong latest?
Yeah, so syempre sad tayo na wala yung IMAG because we've been looking forward to it since the start of the year. But we still have the Asian Championships next month, and we'll just keep training for that for now. And next year is a new year, so we'll take it one step.
And of course, lastly, nakita naman natin yung ating mga Olympians, Yulo, Petesio, Villegas, clinching the medals for our country, and somewhat nakita mo rin sila sa iba't ibang mga engagements, like for example, yung ilan sa kanila pumunta pa ng opening last week ng PBA, at ikaw ay isa sa mga muse for your team, San Miguel, na dating team ng inyong dad. So nakaka-inspire na nakaka-proud talaga na malaman na of course yung ating mga Olympians ay giving pride and honor for our country, and even the Paralympians na sasabog naman in the coming days.
Yeah, so of course I'm super proud of our Olympians. Some of them are my friends, and I was always rooting for them. I watched all of them and I cheered for them, win or lose. And nakakatuwa kasi nasa-showcase nila yung strength ng Filipino. And then good luck din to the Paralympic Games.
Jerby Lacorte from the Philippines.
I'm really rooting for them, and I'm sure kaya-kaya.
Okay, Miss Jamie, your final message na lang sa lahat ng mga taga-suporta, and of course, sa conclusion nga nitong Asian Championships, mayroon kayong gustong parating na mensahe po?
I just want to say thank you to all the supporters, and I'm really proud nga of our federation and how they hosted this amazing event, and I'm proud of our athletes for most of all.
Thank you once again, Jamie. Next time, magpapa-autograph ako ng Vogue Magazine, syempre. Thank you!